Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the settings you need to put in place before going live. A lot of people just click on live button and they go live without putting all these settings. And maybe if you are monetized, you do not own the monetization stuff for that your particular live. You will just go live without any from it. So let's go into business. I'm going to be teaching you. Let's go. This is what you are going to do. You go to your YouTube app, this plus sign, you click on the plus sign. There's post, there's live, there's short, there's video. But you go to that live on, you click on the live. Okay, this is it. What you're going to do is to click on this pen arrow. If you have a thumbnail, you click on this pen arrow again. Then upload any thumbnail you have. But if you don't have, you can just leave it that way. Then you change the name to what you want to talk about. If you want to talk about how to get 1000 subscribers, so you leave it. Then this visibility, reason why you are going live is for people to watch you, so don't put it on list. So you just put it on public. Then you go back, put it on public. Then, is your video made for kids? If it's not made for kids, you put no, it's not made for. If it's made, yes, you put yes. For me, it's not made for kids. So you go back again. Then your location, I will advise you should not choose any particular location, so that YouTube can share your live video to all locations. But if you restrict it to just maybe Nigeria or the country where you are, it will be really hard for YouTube to recommend your video to people that are outside Nigeria. It will be hard. So don't do that. Then advanced setting, for people that are monetized, you click on this advanced setting. See enable monetization. If you don't enable this monetization, if you go live, you will not earn anything for that live. So you click on it. Yes, enable monetization. This video contain pay. If it contain, you click on yes, but if it does not, you leave it like that. Then you go back. Then let me just put a picture as my thumbnail. You can just snap, take picture of yourself as thumbnail, but if it's not good, you go back again, take thumbnail. So if you want something like this, but if it's not just good, just go ahead to go live. You can just upload. If you have any thumbnail, normally you're supposed to have, if you have any thumbnail, you go ahead to upload. Let me say I'm uploading this, you save it as your thumbnail. But if you have a good thumbnail, you click on it, then you click on go live. Click on go live. It's going live. And now you are live. Yes, you are live like this. So this is how it is to go live. These are the settings you need to put in place, especially those people that are monetized. You need to on your monetization. You need to enable it before going live so that you can earn from it. You don't just want to go live without earning from it.